Today, I will present our report on quality management. Quality management, or we call it CQM, is all about overseeing activities to maintain excellence. It focuses on long-term goals by implementing short-term initiatives. Ultimately, it is the backbone of any successful business. Why it is important? First, it boosts customer satisfaction and loyalty. Second, it reduces costs, waste, and costly rewards. By focusing on quality from the start, organizations can protect their brands and reputation and stay competitive. The key focus of our discussion is the ISO 9000 standard. This is an international framework that helps organizations implement an effective quality management systems. It establishes a common language for continuous improvement. In short, ISO 9000 ensures smooth operation and efficient management.
Before we begin, let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever wondered why customers trust companies like Toyota, Samsung or Nestle? It is just because they're famous? Not really. One of the biggest reasons is that they have a strong quality management system that ensures their product and services consistently meet high standards. One internationally recognized system is ISO 9000 or ISO 9000. Let's start with the most important questions. What makes customers buy the same product again and again? The answer is consistent quality. ISO 9000s help organizations to create standardized work procedures and proper documentations. This ensures every employee follow the same process, reducing mistakes and improving the quality of products and services. For example, a food manufacturing company that implements ISO 9000 carefully monitors raw materials, storage temperatures, machine cleanliness, and packaging. This reduces contamination risk and ensures every product meets safety standards. As a result, organizations produce better quality products, reduce defects, improve employees' productivities, and build greater customer confidence. Okay, so now imagine you're a customer. Would you return to a company that always delivers on time, provides good services, and quickly solve your problems? Of course you will. This is exactly why ISO 9000 is important. ISO 9000 encourage organizations to listen to customers' feedback and continuously improve their services because every work's procedures is clearly documented and employees can respond to customer complaints more efficiently and consistently. For example, a delivery company using ISO 9000 can reduce parcel losses, ensures deliveries arrive on time, and provide faster customer service. This can increase customer trust, satisfaction, and loyalty. Behind every successful organization, there is one thing people often don't see: a well-organized system. ISO 9000 improves organizational efficiency by giving employees clear responsibilities and standardized work procedures. This reduces unnecessary works, save time, lower operating costs, and also can increase productivities. For example, in a hospital, ISO 9000 help organize patient registrations, medical records, and treatment procedures more systematically. This reduces errors and allows healthcare workers to provide faster and more efficiency services. In short, when everyone understands their roles and follow the same procedures, the entire organizations perform more efficiently. Finally, think about this. If two companies sell the same product at the same price, but only one has an international recognized quality certification, which company would you trust more? Of course, most people would choose the certified company. Organizations with ISO 9000 certifications are seen as more professional, reliable, and committed to quality. This is not only to improve their reputation, but also increase opportunities to enter international markets and attract foreign investors.
ISO 9000 is an internationally recognized quality management standard. It helps organizations improve their processes, maintain consistent quality, and increase customer satisfaction. However, many companies still face challenges when implementing it. First, maintenance burden. ISO 9000 require companies to regularly update documents, procedures, and train employees. As companies grow and technology change, this becomes more difficult and expensive. For example, Airbus company had to frequently update its quality procedures because of new aircraft technology and changing regulations. This made it difficult to balance innovation with ISO requirements. The second challenge is limited improvement. Some companies treat ISO 9000 as a way to pass audits instead of improving quality. As a result, employees see it as extra paperwork rather than a useful management tool. For example, HP Inc. focused more on meeting audit requirements than improving its processes. This shows that having ISO certification does not always guarantee better performance. Final challenge is culture alignment. In large organizations, it can be difficult to ensure that all employees follow the same quality system. Strong leadership is needed to make ISO 9000 part of the company culture. For example, Toyota already had its own production system, so some employees feel that ISO 9000 created unnecessary paperwork. To solve this, Toyota combined ISO principle with its existing work culture.
Have you ever wondered how organizations make sure their services and quality consistently meet the quality standard? Well, that's where ISO 9000 comes in. For the implementation of ISO 9000, there are three key approaches. First is design and development control. This means that every product and services must be carefully planned, approved, and reviewed and documented before it is used. This ensures that the quality standards are always maintained. Second is risk-based thinking in planning. Organizations identify potential risks early, take action before problems occur. Third is the control of external providers and suppliers. Organizations need to monitor and evaluate the suppliers to ensure that all the services and materials meet the quality standards. Together, these approaches help organizations to improve quality, reduce defects, and maintain their quality standard. Now that we've looked at how ISO 9000 is implemented, let's see how the principles are applied in real-world organizations, such as Airbus case study. Did you know that even a tiny mistake in an aircraft can lead to a serious safety risk? This is why companies like Airbus uses a strict quality control system. Airbus operate across different countries. For example, the wings are made in the UK, the fuselage is made in Germany, and then everything is assembled together in Toulouse and Hamburg. Even though the production are spread out, Airbus maintain consistency by using a quality system called ES9100, which aligns with ISO 9001. Now, because aircraft consists millions of parts, even a small errors can affect the whole performance. Airbus uses a product lifecycle management system for all the design changes. For example, any design update made in Toulouse must be approved and applied across all productions before continuing work. This implies ISO 9001, clause 8.3 and 6.1, where design control and risk preventions are emphasized following the principles of prevention rather than correction. Airbus also manage global suppliers through first article inspection to ensure all components meet the required standard before production. This aligns with ISO 9001 clause 8.4, which focuses on controlling external providers. Overall, ISO 9000 ensures quality is built in every stage of production.
Moving on the conclusion, ISO 9000 play a vital role in modern quality management. It provides a structured framework that helps companies move away from organized practice. By taking a methodical approach, organizations can successfully uphold excellence in their products and services. When implemented successfully, ISO 9000 eliminates waste and errors. This directly increases customer satisfaction and strengthens a company's competitive advantage. However, maintaining these standards comes with challenges. Many organizations face heavy documentation burdens and cultural resistance from employees who see it as a mere tick box exercise. Ultimately, long-term dedication is far more important than just framing a certificate on the wall. When done right, it serves as a powerful tool for sustainable growth and resilience. We hope that all organizations actively incorporate these quality concepts into their daily operations to succeed in today's cutthroat markets. Thank you.